Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to insert a picture into a video using Canva. So for this, let's go to the Canva website. Here I am in the home page of the Canva, and here we can see the different types of icon, docs, whiteboard, presentation, social media, videos, print products, website, etc. So let's go for the video. And here also Canva give us different types of video: mobile video, Facebook video, Instagram reel, TikTok video, YouTube video. So choose according to your video type. I'll go for this video. And now I'm going to add one of these video to show you how we can add image over the video. So I'll choose this. And if you want to upload your own video, you can also upload. Just go to the uploads, choose the uploads file, choose your video and upload it here. Now I am going to add one photo over this video. So for this, the first thing is to find the specific part of the video in which you want to add picture. Suppose from here I want to add photo. So click the left button and choose the option of the split image. Now go ahead and choose the part at what place you want to add this picture. Then again click on the split image. Okay, I'll choose here. Click on the split image. Then choose the part at where you want to add picture. Then go to the elements and choose the grid from the option. And here we can add our photo. You can also add your photo from the uploads. Go to the uploads and upload your photo over here or here, or you can also add photos from the photo option. Suppose I'll write nature over here. Here Canva give us many photos. Some of are for free and some of are only for the pro user. So I'll go for this. Just you have to click on this picture and drag it over here like this. Let's delete this text. Now when you click the left button, you can see the option of show timing. Here we get the option, we get a timeline of this photo. Now we can adjust the size second of the photo like this. You can adjust. Then when you can also crop the photo. When you click on this photo, you can see the option of crop the image. Then you can also edit your image. You can also remove your background. Then you can also increase the brightness, contrast, saturation, and also Canva give us many filters for the photo. And you can also flip your photo vertical, horizontal like this. Also Canva give us the option of animation. Choose your animation. From here There are many options. I'll go for this. Now let's see how it's look. Okay, our photo is perfectly added over this video. If you want to download, just go to this share button, then choose the option of download. If you have a pro account, you can download in 4K, otherwise not. So that's how you can insert your photo over the video. Thanks for watching. We hope this video helped you to learn how to insert an image into a video using Canva. If you have any question, please leave them in the comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching this video.